In an era marked by scientific advancements, there's a growing fascination with ancient healing practices. Plant medicine, rooted in traditions spanning millennia, is experiencing a resurgence in popularity. People are seeking natural ways to enhance their well-being, turning to the power of plants for healing and growth. This shift reflects a desire for holistic approaches that address the mind, body, and spirit. The beauty of plant medicine lies in its ability to bridge ancient wisdom with modern science. For centuries, cultures worldwide have relied on plants for healing. This traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, forms the foundation of plant medicine.
Conventional medicine has undoubtedly revolutionized healthcare, but it's not without its limitations. One of the primary challenges lies in its tendency towards a one-size-fits-all approach. While this standardized model can be effective for acute conditions, it often falls short in addressing the complexities of chronic illnesses and individual needs. Each person is unique, with a distinct biochemistry, genetic makeup, and lifestyle, all of which influence their health outcomes.
Another significant challenge associated with conventional medicine is the potential for side effects. These side effects can sometimes be immediate, manifesting shortly after taking the medication, or they can develop over time, leading to chronic issues that may not have been anticipated. While pharmaceutical interventions can be life-saving in certain situations, they often come with a long list of potential adverse reactions. These reactions can include anything from mild symptoms like nausea and dizziness to more severe conditions such as organ damage or allergic reactions. These side effects can range from mild discomfort to severe complications, impacting an individual's quality of life and potentially leading to a cascade of new health concerns. For instance, a medication prescribed to manage one condition might cause side effects that necessitate additional medications, creating a complex web of treatments and potential interactions. The increasing prevalence of polypharmacy, the use of multiple medications simultaneously, further complicates matters. This is particularly common among the elderly, who often have multiple chronic conditions requiring various treatments. As individuals are prescribed more medications, the risk of interactions and adverse effects rises exponentially. Each new medication adds another layer of complexity, making it challenging to predict how they will interact with each other and with the patient's unique physiology. This situation has led many people to explore gentler, more natural alternatives that align with their desire to minimize potential harm. Herbal remedies, dietary changes, and lifestyle modifications are becoming increasingly popular as people seek to take control of their health in a more holistic way. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness are also being embraced for their potential to improve well-being without the risk of adverse side effects.
Conventional medicine often struggles to address the intricate connection between the mind and body. The increasing prevalence of stress-related illnesses, chronic pain, and mental health challenges highlights the need for a more integrated approach to healthcare. Plant medicine, with its emphasis on holistic healing, recognizes this interconnectedness and offers a range of tools for nurturing both physical and emotional well-being.
In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. Chronic stress takes a toll on our physical and mental well-being, increasing the risk of various health issues. Adaptogens, a unique class of plant allies, offer a natural way to combat stress and enhance our resilience. These remarkable herbs and fungi work by modulating the body's stress response system, helping us adapt to challenging situations and maintain balance.
A peaceful mind and a relaxed body are essential for overall well-being. In a world often filled with stimulation and demands, finding moments of calm can feel like a luxury. Nervines, a gentle yet powerful category of plant medicine, offer a natural pathway to soothe the nervous system and promote relaxation. These plant allies work their magic by directly interacting with the nervous system, calming overactivity and easing tension. Among the most beloved nervines is chamomile, a gentle flower renowned for its calming properties. Chamomile tea has been a bedtime ritual for generations, and for good reason.
Psychedelics, expanding consciousness and facilitating healing. In the realm of plant medicine, psychedelics stand out for their ability to induce profound alterations in consciousness. These powerful substances, often used in ceremonial contexts for centuries, are gaining recognition for their potential therapeutic applications. Psychedelics, such as psilocybin, found in magic mushrooms, and ayahuasca, a brew from the Amazon, can catalyze transformative experiences that promote healing, self-discovery, and spiritual growth.
A world of botanical treasures. The world of plant medicine is vast and diverse, offering a treasure trove of natural remedies for various ailments. Beyond the well-known categories of adaptogens, nervines, and psychedelics lies a vast array of botanical allies, each with its unique properties and healing potential. From ancient Ayurvedic herbs to traditional Chinese medicine formulas, the diversity of plant medicine reflects the rich tapestry of cultures and traditions that have harnessed the power of nature for healing throughout history. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, has gained recognition for its potent anti-inflammatory properties.
Finding relief from chronic pain. For years, Sarah endured debilitating migraines that cast a shadow over her life. Conventional painkillers offered only temporary relief, often accompanied by unwelcome side effects. Seeking a more holistic approach, she turned to plant medicine, specifically exploring the power of feverfew, an herb traditionally used for headaches. To her amazement, incorporating feverfew tea into her daily routine significantly reduced the frequency and intensity of her migraines. The natural remedy, combined with lifestyle changes like stress management techniques, empowered Sarah to reclaim her life from the grip of chronic pain.
Anxiety had been a constant companion for Emily, casting a shadow over her daily life. It crept into her thoughts, making even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming and insurmountable. It hindered her ability to fully engage with the world, leaving her feeling isolated and disconnected from those around her. Prescription medications offered some relief, but they came with their own set of challenges. While they dulled the sharp edges of her anxiety, they also left her feeling emotionally numb and detached from her own experiences. Yearning for a more natural approach, she turned to plant medicine, hoping to find a gentler way to manage her anxiety. She was drawn to the calming properties of nervines like chamomile and lavender, which have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and peace. Emily began incorporating chamomile tea into her evening ritual, finding solace in its gentle aroma and soothing effects. Each sip brought a sense of calm, helping her to unwind after a long day and prepare for a restful night's sleep. She also discovered the power of lavender essential oil, which became a staple in her nightly routine. Adding a few drops to her pillowcase before bed, she found that it helped to promote relaxation and improve her sleep quality. Over time, these small changes made a big difference. Emily began to feel more at peace, her anxiety no longer ruling her life. She embraced these natural remedies, finding a new sense of balance and inner calm.
Mark's life had spiraled into a dark abyss of addiction. Alcohol had become his crutch, numbing the pain of past traumas and offering a temporary escape from reality. Countless attempts to break free from its grip had proven futile, leaving him feeling defeated and hopeless. Desperate for a solution, he learned about the potential of ibogaine, a powerful psychedelic plant medicine traditionally used in West Africa for spiritual healing and addiction recovery. With a mix of trepidation and a glimmer of hope, Mark embarked on an ibogaine treatment journey under the guidance of experienced practitioners.
A journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Sophia, A successful businesswoman felt a nagging sense of emptiness despite her outward achievements. She had achieved material success, but yearned for a deeper sense of purpose and connection. Intrigued by the potential of plant medicine to facilitate spiritual growth, she decided to explore the world of psilocybin mushrooms in a safe and controlled setting. Under the guidance of experienced facilitators, Sophia embarked on a psilocybin journey that would forever change her perspective on life.
As we've journeyed through the world of plant medicine, we've witnessed its remarkable ability to address a wide range of health and wellness needs. From the ancient wisdom of traditional healing practices to the cutting-edge research validating their efficacy, plant allies offer a bridge between nature's healing power and modern science. Whether seeking relief from physical ailments, emotional challenges, or a deeper connection with oneself and the world around us, plant medicine provides a diverse toolkit for supporting our well-being. The resurgence of interest in plant medicine reflects a growing desire for a more holistic approach to health and well-being. In a world often dominated by conventional medicine's focus on symptom management, plant medicine offers a refreshing alternative that addresses the root causes of imbalances, honoring the interconnectedness of our mind, body, and spirit. As we've explored the diverse world of plant allies, we've witnessed their ability to support our body's natural healing mechanisms, promoting balance, vitality, and a deeper sense of well-being. As we conclude our exploration of plant medicine's remarkable potential, we reflect on the incredible journey we've taken together. From the ancient wisdom of indigenous cultures to the latest scientific research, the world of plant medicine offers a rich tapestry of knowledge and healing. We invite you to join the conversation and become part of this vibrant community. Sharing your experiences can be a powerful way to connect with others who are on similar paths. Have you had any experiences with plant medicine, whether positive or challenging? Perhaps you've found relief from a chronic condition, or maybe you've encountered unexpected side effects. Whatever your story, it holds value. Share your insights and stories in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire others on their healing journeys. By opening up about your personal journey, you contribute to a collective understanding that benefits everyone. The world of plant medicine is vast and ever-evolving. New discoveries are being made every day, and traditional knowledge continues to be validated by modern science. If you're intrigued and want to delve deeper into specific plant remedies, their uses and potential benefits, there are countless avenues to explore. From ancient texts to contemporary studies, the information available is both extensive and fascinating. We encourage you to continue your research. Numerous resources, from reputable books to online communities, offer a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Engaging with these resources can deepen your understanding and enhance your practice. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, there's always something new to learn. The journey of discovery is ongoing, and the more you explore, the more you'll uncover. Remember, embarking on a journey with plant medicine is a personal decision. It's important to approach it with mindfulness and respect for the plants and their properties. Always prioritize safety and responsible use. Understanding the correct dosages and potential interactions is crucial to ensuring a positive experience. Consult with qualified healthcare professionals, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Their expertise can help you navigate the complexities of plant medicine safely. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure your well-being throughout your exploration. Their insights can be invaluable, offering a balanced perspective that integrates traditional wisdom with modern medical knowledge. They can also help you understand how plant medicine can complement other treatments you may be receiving, creating a holistic approach to your health and wellness. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of plant medicine. We hope it has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore further. The path of plant medicine is one of continuous learning and discovery, and we are grateful to have shared this part of the journey with you.